Hi guys, so this video is going to be about me showing you how the algorithm works and the type of profits that I make using this algorithm and strategy, right? So I also use my discretion here with the strategy to make it better. I improve the probability, I improve the risk reward when I use my discretion, but just the code itself that I've coded about 4 years ago now works fine. So without wasting your time, I just want to go straight into showing you how the code works, right? So when you look at this chart now, you're seeing the usual indicators, but then you're also seeing long and then closed entry points. So where you would take a long position and then a close on the entry, right? So these are the trades that you would take. Now, the best way to do this, I think, is to do a replay and show it on video for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go on replay. This is going to grab a historical point in the data. I don't want to choose the point. So I don't want to choose these key moments where the trend is starting, where I know we're going to make money. I want to choose a random bar at a random time, because that's how you would trade anyway. You wouldn't really be predicting the moment exactly. So here's the random bar. I'm going to choose now random. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, so it took us in 2024. That doesn't make sense. I want to go a little bit more historical. I want to go a little bit further in time. So let's try and do random bar again. Random bar again. Again, this is a good time here. I don't want to target this time. I want to target some time where I haven't seen what the chart's been doing. Let's do again random. Great. So, all right, we have here midpoint, March 2020. See, I know this is a good time again, so I'm going to go random again. Okay. Where are we? Okay, fine. We're grabbing 2003, 2002. So we're going to be looking at Netflix in 2003 and see whether this strategy works in 2003. Okay. So the replay, I'm just going to start the replay now. Okay, so this would have been your entry point. Okay. So it's going, okay, so we're going to pause that. Let's see if you made a profit on that one. So from here to here, it was pretty much break even, right? I'd say because of the slippage, it'll be break even. So that's a no win. Let's keep on playing. Okay, entry there. Great trend developing, keeping you in the trend. The key here is we're hunting the trend. Fantastic. Keeps holding you in the trend. Yep. Okay, there you go. That's your exit. So we entered here and we exited around here. That's a 76% win. Now I'm going to just quickly do two text boxes. Number one is the percentages. So it's plus 76. It was, let's say that was a break even, but you can say minus 1% just for the sake of saying, we can say 0% here actually, because it was actually a break even, I think. And then I'm going to create another text box right here. And this text box, I'm going to be doing trades, right? And I'm going to do winning, losing. Okay. So there's 0 losing and then break even. And then there's 1 break even, 1 winning, 0 losing. Okay. So we're going to keep these stats. Let's see what happens on the next trade. I'm going to try and do about 10 trades here. Okay. Entry long, exit short. Okay. So let's do this one. This is definitely a loss. There you go, minus 13%. So minus 13%. I'm rounding these up for you guys. So that's a 1 win, 1 loss, 1 break even. Let's keep on playing. Okay, long again. Bear in mind that I'm only entering long here, no shorts. So long here to about here. That's a win in trade. 3% there. So 2 winning. And we are going to do plus 3% here. Okay. Let's keep on going. Only longs. Remember, we're only taking long positions. Okay, there you go. Beautiful entry there. Trend straight away. The momentum kicks in. Okay, exit right there. Okay, so here to here. So that's plus 30%. Another win here. Okay. So 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even, plus 30%. Okay, it's getting interesting now. Let's continue. Another entry right here, mid trend for continuation. Okay, there you go. Exit. Let's see what that made. That's definitely in profit. So here to about here, 16%. Okay, another win. I need to move this. Don't know what's happening here. Okay, quickly. There you go. There you go. So that win is plus 16%. And we need to change this tally here to 4. Okay, so 4 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. Let's continue. Okay, long entry there. Okay, quick exit. Protecting yourself from there in case that's a loss. Okay. So 2 losses there, and then the percentage is 7%. I'm rounding these up. 7%. Okay, another long entry. We're only taking longs. Let's go. Okay, trend. Beautiful trend. Holding through the trend. This is the key here. Okay, this is why this strategy is so profitable. We're holding through the trend, right? We're trying to capture the trend. We're hunting for that trend. That's why the group's called TrendHunters. Okay, so we have 5 wins, and this one is another 32%. Okay. And bear in mind, I chose Netflix because I analyzed Netflix recently. We can choose any stock at any point in time. Doesn't matter. And bear in mind, this is 2004. It's not recent. It's not 2020 when there was a booming market. Okay, let's go. Next long. Okay, market's been short for a while. Long again. Let's see what happens. The trend is developing. Oh, okay. Quick sell off there. Huge gap. Let's see if you actually lost anything significant. So let's see there. The exit would have been here. That's a loss for 11%. Okay. So minus 11%. And then we have another loss, which is 3. Okay, let's keep on going. So far, we've done 9 trades. I want to do about 10, 15 trades really quickly here. So the market's been very short. We're looking for longs only. Let's see. Long right there. Okay, holding through. Okay, there you go. I think this one might have made a tiny amount. Let's see. Yep, 1%. 1% is 1%. You know, it's still money. So there you go. Another 1% there. Another winning trade, actually, which is, so that's 6. And then let's keep on going. Only longs. Okay, long entry right there. Amazing long entry. Okay, look at this. This is what I love about this strategy. Enters you long when the market is about to give you signs of a huge drop, it usually takes you out early on. So it protects you. You were protected right there. In fact, here you made a 2% profit before the stock dropped significantly. So again, another profit win there, even though the market dropped straight after. Okay, so 7 wins. And this one, let's add the 2%. So plus 2% there. We're trying to tally these. I'm going to do another, maybe another 4. So what is that? 11, another 4. Let's do 15. So you guys get an idea that you can take 15 trades and these are the type of results that you can achieve. This would have been with Netflix in 2004. So historical. It works at any point in time. So as you can see there, bullish divergence, but it's not entering yet. We're gotta see that momentum kicking in. So again, there you go. Bullish divergence, but it didn't kick in, comes back down. We're still holding through. We have to wait here for an entry. So it's beautiful. You don't have to take risks unnecessarily. With the market short, you enter there. Okay, this one protected you really quickly here. So look, all of this bearish market movement, a little bit of a gain here, but we didn't enter. We weren't faked in with a breakout. So we have this one here. This is a minus 7%. Okay, so losing trade here, minus 7%. Minus 7%. And then we need to change this to 4 losing. There you go. Let's keep on going, right? I want to move these to the side here. Let's keep on playing. We need 3 more. We're going to do 3 more trades, and that's it. Okay, long there. Let's see. I think it might take us out here again. Okay, take us out here again. But again, you know, the market's very, very temperamental. It hasn't shifted yet. Clearly, it's giving us some fake outs. These are fake outs. Unfortunately, you're going to get caught. Regardless of what strategy you have, you're going to get caught by fake outs. Okay, so that is minus 11%. Minus 11%. Okay, another loss here. So doing 5 loss. Okay, let's continue. So bear in mind, this has been from 2003. Now we are in 2005, okay? So 2 years of trading, just Netflix. Okay, so let's play. Okay, market's still very bearish here. Netflix is very bearish, okay. Long position opened. Okay, let's see if this is a fake out or if it's a full trending move. It's still holding us through. Okay, trending move, huge trending move here. You're going to be recuperating all the losses that you made in these last 2 trades here in this one here. Let's see. Holding us through the trend. Doesn't care, just holds us through. Okay, huge. This is going to be 200%. I think it's going to be a 200% win here. Huge win. So worth taking the risk here with these 2 losers if you're capturing this move, the trend. Okay, look at that. Let's do this one. This is going to be a huge, huge, huge win. Okay, so from here all the way to here, 136%. So you lost these 7 and 11% here, but if you kept on using the strategy, trusted the strategy, you would have made 136% on the 3rd trade. Okay, so that's another huge win there. There you go. Okay, so far, how many have we done? We've done 14. We're going to do 1 more. And bear in mind, we're at the top here. Let's see what the market's going to do. Okay, another long. Let's see, is it holding us through the trend? Nope. Okay, quick exit. This one, I just need to zoom in a little bit. So zoom in so I can do this correctly for you. There you go. It's here to here. Okay, minus 3%. So We'll do this one minus 3%, and we will add this to a loss. Right, so we got loss here, so that's 6. That is 15 trades, okay? I'm going to quickly tally these up for you guys in a calculator. Let's open up a calculator right now. We're going to quickly tally these up so we know exactly what we could have made if we traded capital with just Netflix for the last 3 years, maybe, yeah, until 2006. Okay, so we'd had, I think this one was about 1%, but let's say 0, right? We would do the break even. We would do 0, then plus 76, minus 13, plus 3, plus 30, plus 16, minus 7, plus 32, minus 11, plus 1.5, plus 2, minus 7, minus 11, plus 136, minus 3. Right, so the tally there is you would have made 240%, right, over the course of 15 trades with Netflix over the course of 2.5 years, maybe 3 years. Okay, so it started in March. Now, what is your win rate here? So let's do your win rate. If we're going back to the calculator, that's your percentage that you would have made with Netflix, random stock that I picked, and random date. And let's see your win rate. So your win rate is you want 8 out of 15, right? So you have a win rate of 53%, right? So you have 53% win rate. But the key here is when you're winning, right? You're winning 76%. You're winning 136%. You're winning these huge percentages, and when you're losing a much smaller amount. Now, if you guys think that I was being selective here, or have any doubts, I also want to show you the performance of Netflix historically for, let's grab a period. So if we cancel this, historically for, let's say, let's do a random period here. I'm going to grab, let's say the last, don't know, let's say the last 4 years. Okay, so start January the 1st, 2020, until, this was pre-COVID, remember the crash during COVID, so we're going to capture that track crash as well, until now, until today. What would have been the profit that you would have made? Well, there you have it, 153%, and you would have had a 60% win rate. Now, let's also look at all the potential trades with Netflix, right, since the beginning. So to do that, we have to cancel this replay mode. So I'm just going to quickly cancel it. So do cancel, yes. And now we're going to let this algorithm run all the trades. So you would have made 32,400% on Netflix over the course of, I think, about 24 years, and you would have made 109 trades with a win rate of 51%, profit factor of 3.2. Now, if you want to see the statistics, I want to quickly show you the statistics here. Look, this is the growth curve. The blue line is the performance of my strategy, and the green line is buy and hold. So this is indexing, buy and hold. This is the performance of my strategy here. Of course, there's a big dip here in 2020. It's normal. You're going to experience those moments. But look, pick up again. Buy and hold did not outperform. Buy and hold did not outperform. And that's the key here. If you're doing active trading and active investing, you don't want buy and hold to outperform. You don't want the indexes to outperform. So there you have it, guys. And the other thing is, let's look at the performance. Okay, so long only here as well. We're only taking long positions. Average win 20%, average loss 6%. Ratio to wins and losses. So this is the risk reward ratio, I guess. If you want to look, but this is actual risk reward, as in the actual losses and the actual wins that you've had. It's 1 to 3. So that's why you can have a 50% win rate and still make money and grow your capital. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding as to why I'm so confident in my choices and my trades and with the information I'm giving you every single day. Thanks for listening.